Hi all, today we are going to discuss on views of abnormality during the Middle Ages. During the Middle Ages, the more scientific aspects of Greek medicine survived in Islamic countries of the Middle East. The first mental hospital was established in Baghdad. It was soon followed by others in Damascus and Aleppo. In these hospitals, mentally disturbed individuals received humane treatment. One outstanding figure in ancient medicine was Avicenna from Thracia. He was also called Prince of Physicians. He was the author of the Canon of Medicine. In his writings, Avicenna frequently referred to hysteria, epilepsy, manic reactions, and melancholia. Hysteria, which is ungovernable emotional excess, that is emotionally unstable behavior. Second one, epilepsy, that is nerve cell activity in the brain is disturbed. We all know the panic reactions. And next, melancholia, that is the feeling of deep sadness. During the Middle Ages in Europe, scientific inquiry into abnormal behavior was limited, and the treatment of psychologically disturbed individuals was characterized more often by ritual or superstitions than by attempts to understand an individual's condition. During the Middle Ages in Europe, they consider mentally disturbed individuals as a whole person, and they treat as a human manner. To understand better this elusive period of history, let us look at two events of times. First one is mass madness. Second, exorcism. During the last half of the Middle Ages in Europe, a peculiar trend emerged in efforts to understand abnormal behavior. It involved mass madness. It's the widespread occurrence of group behavior disorders that were apparently caused by hysteria. That is, the mass madness is also known as mass hysteria. It is a phenomenon when a group of people display the same abnormal physical and psychological symptoms. Whole group of people were affected simultaneously. Dancing manias, that is epidemics of raving, jumping, dancing and conventions. It were reported as early as the 10th century. One such episode that occurred in Italy early in the 13th century was known as tarantism. It is a disorder that included an uncontrollable impulse to dance. Another event is lycanthropy, a condition in which people believe themselves to be possessed by wolves and imitated their behavior. So many cases was reported in 40s. In the Middle Ages in Europe, management of the mentally disturbed was left largely to the clergy. Monasteries serve as refuges and places of confinement. During the early part of the medieval period, the mentally disturbed were, for the most part, treated with considerable kindness. Treatment, it consisting of prayer, holy water, sanctified ointments, the breath or spittle of the priests, the touching of relics, visits to holy places, and mild form of exorcism.